Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to give you a clear and easy to understand comparison that summarizes the pros and cons of using Simpletiger. Now we're going to look at the aspects and then the pros and the cons of these aspects. So let's get started. When it comes to specialization, the pro is that Simpletiger has deep expertise that's focused solely on B2B SaaS, retailer strategies, and industry benchmarks. But the con of this is that service scope is limited, so no offerings like influencer marketing or video production. We look at another aspect, which is SEO and PPC integration. The pro of using Simpletiger is that it has comprehensive SEO and PPC services, full funnel strategy built around proprietary AI tools. The con is that it may be pricier due to premium, performance-driven focus. And then, when you look at the aspect of AI-powered tools, the pro is that it's using proprietary AI tools for keyword research, content prioritization, and GEO optimization. The con is that the AI tools primarily optimize for SEO PPC. It is not a full digital marketing suite. Now, if you look at another aspect of results and track record, so the pro is that Simpletiger has strong client outcomes, for example, 98% traffic growth in 5 months and an increase of about 127% in 2 months. But the con is that rapid growth may demand a significant upfront investment, cost barrier for small budgets. Next, we look at their price and transparency. The pro of using Simpletiger is that it offers clear, flexible packages, transparent pricing via demos and custom quotas. While the con is that custom quoting means no clear sticker pricing, so it can be hard to budget for early stage companies. Now, if we look at the team commitment for Simpletiger, the pro is that it has hands-on leadership, often CEO, COO involved, and has a highly responsive service. While the con is that smaller firms may offer less after hours or geographical coverage than larger agencies. So, the last, we're going to look at the client satisfaction. You see, the pro of using Simpletiger is that you have high ratings, about 4.5 to about 4.9 on Capterra, MadX, Opcity, with consistent performance. The con is that there's no major drawbacks listed, but non-SaaS brands may not find it as a perfect fit. So in summary, what I'm saying is that Simpletiger is best for B2B SaaS companies, seed to enterprise, seeking fast, measurable growth in organic and paid channels. Now, why do clients choose Simpletiger? It's a combination of deep industry expertise, AI-enhanced full funnel marketing, transparent packages, and proven results. Now, what you need to watch out for? Watch out for premium pricing and a service portfolio focused on PPC, SEO, web design. Companies needing broader digital services may need to bring on extra vendors. Now, hope you found this video helpful.